Have you ever wondered what is wrong with my Take Your Pick tool? That putty, there's something wrong with it. It's not there. It's not coming out. You're thinking, is this thing broken? No, it's not broken. Your Take Your Pick tool, you want to, if you unscrew this all the way off, this is all one piece. Nothing turns on it. Everything is, all your putty is down inside of there. And as you can see, I have a piece of putty already out. To put it in, you just hold this and screw the handle on. If you turn it really tight towards yourself, the putty's going to start coming out. Let me take this off. Let me loosen it up. Okay, say I want putty to come out. Turn it towards you to make it tight. Okay, there you go. Can you see it coming out? Here, let me hold it over there. It's coming out. That's the length I need it, so you're going to turn it away from me to loosen it up. And you're going to keep it in that loose position and pick up your embellishments with it. Okay, I'm going to try it again. Say it would, I used it all up and there's none there. Okay, again, turn it towards me. I'm going to turn it towards me to make it tight. Okay, and there you go. You can see it coming out. You just have to be patient. That's the length I want it. I'm going to loosen this right there, turn it away from me to get it to stop coming out. So if you just remembered, tight is going to make it come out. To loosen it, it's going to stop it. So I'm going to keep it in that loose position. That's how you're going to store it, in that loose position. Because if you keep it in the tight position, it's going to keep on coming and oozing out like toothpaste. So keep it in that loose position. Always store it with the lid on to keep it from drying out. So I hope if you had any problems, this video helped you understand how that putty works. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.